fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Love Your Adventure. I'm Jennifer Olson, your travel guide, and today we are diving into the enchanting world of European river cruises. Trust me, you are in for a treat. Picture this, cruising through Europe on the Rhine or the Danube rivers. It's the stuff dreams are made of. But before you embark on this unforgettable journey, there are a few things that you should know before you go. First, try not to overpack. River cruise staterooms are cozy, so you'll need to be smart about your wardrobe. Luckily, the dress code is casual during the day and casual elegance at night, so pack versatile clothing that you can mix and match. Next, it's an active vacation, so be ready to break a sweat. Excursions range from light walks to biking, canoeing, and hiking. But remember, you don't have to do it all. Free time is precious, so use it wisely. River cruise itineraries can change based on the water levels. Sometimes ships can't pass under bridges, but no worries, the cruise lines have solutions. So stay flexible and you'll create incredible memories. Also, forget about motion sickness. River cruise ships have flat bottoms, and the rivers don't have large waves. So you'll feel great throughout your entire journey. Also, the food on the ship is inspired by local cuisine. Head chefs often visit the local markets to get fresh ingredients when you're out on excursions. But for the real deal, you can definitely venture off into the town for an unforgettable meal. So fellow adventurers, here's a pro tip. Bringing a travel agent like me on board, I can help you navigate the world of European river cruises and help find the perfect fit for you. That's it for today, adventurers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our next journey together. And if you're ready to dive into the world of European river cruises, click the link below and you can receive our complete packing list for a European river cruise. Until next time, keep exploring, and as always, love your adventure. Thanks, have a great day.